Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to walk you through a fresh trade that we just took in. This is a 2021 Centurion Fi25. Great boat, guys. As you'll see, it's got the two-tone hull colors with the white bottom and the teal glitter flake throughout the center here. Got the black rubber rail with the stainless insert. Looking at the front here on the bow, you'll see it's got the integrated docking lights and nav lights. As you look down throughout the side, you've got pop-up cleats, forward, midship, and back here at the stern. Let's take a look at the back, guys. Nice big swim platform covered with sea decking material. All your surf gates. Nice handles to help you climb back aboard. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Fi25. If you look at the bow, you'll see we've got the filler cushions in here. Makes for a nice full-size sun pad. We've got USB ports over here on the side. Plenty of cup holders. You'll see two big 8-inch Roswell speakers up front. As you walk through the walk-through windshield, you'll see a big, nice open cockpit. Plenty of seating throughout the whole boat. This boat's got a premium sound system, guys. I can't express it enough. Sounds great. Big woofer sitting right here underneath the helm. 8-inch speakers throughout. 4 speakers up here on your tower. Sound is premium. Guys, looking at the helm, you'll see you've got your display here, wireless phone charger. This is to access all your underwater lights, accent lighting. Also, guys, back down here in the cockpit, you'll see this boat also has a heater. Plenty of seating. Guys, nice racks. For more information, please give us a call at the Greenville, South Carolina location or stop by. Thank you and have a great day.